stir fry the small pieces of potato that's going to go in my soup. Okay, now you can call it minestrone. I just call it vegetable soup. It doesn't matter. But I'm stir frying a little bit, and then that goes into the pot also. These are Yukon Gold potatoes. Highly recommended, as they don't fall apart in the soup like most other potato soup. Okay, I am making vegetarian minestrone, I guess you could call it. Anyway, to begin with, I'm gonna put this up on YouTube, my channel. Starting off with celery and onions. I'm going to stir fry that, and then that goes into the pot where I'm going to be making the soup. I like to stir fry my vegetables before I put them in the pot to be, to simmer. Okay, this is I'll be putting all these videos together next to each other as I proceed. Now we got the carrots in there, and we're stir frying this a little bit, and then we put them into the pot. Okay, as you can see, I'm stir frying now broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini, which is going to end into the pot very soon. Okay, we're almost done here. Right now, it's beginning to simmer, and after it's done cooking, what I do is I check for salt to taste. I put in whole garlic. After it's simmered, I've done cooking, turn the fire off, and then add whole garlic, mushrooms, elbow mac, fried veggie meat, lima beans, yellow pepper, and kale. Okay? That's including everything that's in there already. Okay? And the reason I use Yukon Gold potatoes is because those things don't fall apart. And when I take scoops of soup out, I don't recook this. I just take out enough what I'm going to eat for that night or Sabbath. It's great for Sabbath. Just take it out and warm it up. And the potatoes, they hold together great. And I've kept this soup up to 6 weeks in my refrigerator. I never left it longer than that, I don't think. And it was still great. Tasted, in fact, it was better than the day I made, because all the juices and everything had a chance to all mingle really good. So anyway, this is Uncle Wawen's veggie soup. Okay, it is ready to go up on YouTube. Oh, it's got so much good stuff in there. Look at the veggie meat, garlic, whole garlic. I'll put everything what I put in there on the YouTube channel. I'll list it underneath. Okay, guys. Yummy. Uncle Wawen's veggie soup.